Forged steel bowl. Junda Company produces 25 to 155 forged steel bowls. We select high-quality round steel, low-carbon alloy, high manganese steel, high carbon and high manganese alloy steel as raw material produced by air hammer forging process. We select high-quality round steel as raw materials and adopt advanced equipment, unique heat treatment process, and strict quality control system to make sure the better performance of forged steel balls and the overall hardness. The surface hardness is up to 58 to 65 HRC. Volume hardness is up to 56 to 64 HRC. The hardness distribution is uniform. The impact toughness value is 12 joules per square centimeter, and the crushing rate is far less than 1%. Forged steel ball chemical position. Carbon content is 0.4 to 0.85. Manganese content is 0.5 to 1.2. Chromium content is 0.05 to 1.2. We can produce different sizes according to customers' request. We have also obtained ISO 9001-28 International Quality System certification. Features: size, diameter 20 to 150 millimeters. Material: C45, 60 mn, 65 mn, 40 CR, 42 CRMO, B2, B3, B6. Hardness: C45, 48 to 55 HRC, 60 mn, 57 to 61 HRC, B2, 60 to 64 HRC, B3, 62 to 65 HRC, B6, 62 to 65 HRC. Product features: 1. High impact toughness. 2. Compact organization. 3. High wear resistance. 4. Low breakage rate. 5. Uniform hardness. 6. No deformation. Producing process. After checking and testing the round alloy steel bar material, the production can be started according to the size of the steel ball.